Hello students. In this video, we're diving into some fascinating geometry basics, covering everything from quadrilaterals to circles and polygons. Ready? Let's get started. A quadrilateral is simply a closed shape with 4 sides, 4 corners, and 4 angles. Now, remember the angle sum property. All angles in any quadrilateral always add up to 360 degrees. Think of shapes like rectangles and trapezoids, which all fit under this rule. We also have adjacent sides, like 2 neighboring sides that meet at a corner, and opposite sides, which sit across from each other. Now, let's move to circles. A circle is made up of all points that are the same distance from a center point. This distance is called the radius, and the full length around the circle is called the circumference. We also have the diameter, which is twice the radius and passes through the center. A chord links any 2 points on a circle, and a special type, called a secant, actually cuts through the circle. Complementary angles are a pair of angles whose measures add up to 90 degrees. Supplementary angles are a pair of angles whose measures add up to 180 degrees. Moving on to polygons. A polygon is any closed shape with straight sides, like a triangle or pentagon. Regular polygons have all equal sides and angles, while irregular polygons don't. The formula for finding the sum of interior angles of a polygon is n-2 into 180 degrees, where n is the number of sides. Each exterior angle and its neighboring interior angle add up to 180 degrees. Here's a quick question for you. What's the sum of interior angles in a quadrilateral? Let me know, and keep exploring geometry. Share your answer in the comments below. The complete curriculum for Class 7 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.